Hey guys, I'm back regarding my 1967 Field and Stream canned ham. And if you guys noticed, I was real excited, we were real excited about starting the Reno. And unbeknownst to me, I made several mistakes. This was brought to my attention not only by some folks on Facebook, but also by, and I want to give them a shout out. Number one, Rudy Hernandez, thank you very much for reaching out to me, and Larry for Mobile Tech. I take your advice and constructive criticism to heart. I am not thin-skinned, and when I started this video series, I told you guys that, I'm sorry, I'm backing up here, being safe here, that I welcome all comments, whether good or bad, and suggestions on how to do this correctly. And with me being a little bit overzealous, I was excited to get this project underway. And I made some major mistakes. I should have watched Rudy Hernandez's series and also Larry from Mobile Tech series on YouTube. But I failed to do that. And like Larry said, I make the mistake so you don't have to. Well, I made a big mistake, and hopefully whoever watches this will heed the warnings from now on that I did. I started, as you guys saw in the first video, demoing, that's not the right word, Larry doesn't like that, disassembling the interior of my my little canned ham, when in fact they told me that basically the cabinets are the structural integrity, keep the structural integrity of the trailer itself. That I should have started out with removing the skins and working from the outside in. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to, hopefully I did not do too much damage to the integrity of my little trailer. So what I'm going to do is I'm on my way over now to basically put some braces up so it does not sag on that side. Number one. Number two, when I have a little more time this next week, I'm going to put back some of the structural integrity of the cabinets back, at least the outer frame of the cabinets, to help with integrity. It's supposed to start raining. It's a rainy season here where I live in LA or Orange County. So I don't want to start removing skins and taking a chance of getting rained on. I don't have an inside shop as nice as Larry. I have to work on it outside like Rudy does. So we're going to do some other stuff by taking some of the surface rust off the frame, priming that and taking care of that, checking the bearings and the axle, make sure that's all ready to go. So we're going to call this episode 1.5. We're not going to call this episode number 2 because I got to go back and try to undo what I did and save this little critter, this little jewel. So with that being said, again, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button. Right next to it, there's a little bell. Hit that so you guys get notified when I do upload. And hit that like button. If you like the video, hit it. If you don't like it, hit that also. Somebody already did that. And you know what? Criticism, whether it's good or bad, it's always good as far as I'm concerned, because we learn from our mistakes, we learn from others, and we strive to do better. So you can't strive to do better if people don't point out your shortcomings or your mistakes. If you don't believe that, you're going to go through life without learning much and accepting responsibilities for your mistakes. So I'm really good at taking responsibility for my own actions and my mistakes. So hey, I bought it, and I'm gonna fix it. And trust me, Larry and Rudy, trust me, I have watched both of your series in the last couple of days since I got the messages, and you guys do fantastic work, and I only strive to be as good as you guys, and I will use you guys as mentors. So with that being said, again, this is 1.5, and I'll upload some videos when we start doing the frame and checking and repacking the bearings on the wheels. I'm sure they need those and all that good stuff. All right, until then, thank you very much for watching, and keep on going. Talk to you guys later. Bye.